So I got a PS3 Slim 2001A. Just a quick test. Inside of these is a DYN/001 motherboard. So there's three different Slims of the 2000 model: 2001A, 2101A, and then the 2501A. They're different. This is the original one. So let's do a quick test on this. And I prefer the water, so tear it down. This has a dry board in it. This one and the 2101 have dry boards. 2501 does not. I updated these. These were all been updated to, I think we're at 4.93 now, if I'm correct. Yeah, this is the exact one shipping. We drive, everything about this one's good. Always adding trophies. Never understood the trophy thing, but installing trophies. There it goes. I don't know what that's about, but it does it every time. PS3 game loading takes forever. I don't know why that was. This is 2.5. This game was remixed like 5 times. I swear to God. I don't think I've ever played it though, that I'm aware of. Pretty fun though. Okay. Alright, so we're good there. So we'll just tear it down. So again, this has a dry board in it. But there's no soldering involved in this one. And just to check it again and make sure. Oh, I missed it. System settings, if I'm correct. System information, yeah, 4.93. That's in this one. So it's good to go. Every one that I've shipped works. Otherwise, unless it's specified as a, I think I have some not working ones as well, but this fully works. Okay, so let's do a quick tear down here. These are all set up, ready to pull real quick. Power supplies, there's a few different makes and models, but they all, you can use any one in the 2000 models, not the 3000 models, because of course there's a 3000 model too. That's not what we're doing here. And even this front panel is only good for this one, the 2001A. Not the 2101A, it's different. It's similar to the 25. This here, DSW-001, only for the for this one. So this is just like a confirmation video that I'm going to send to the buyer. I've had a little problem with these. To reconfirm that yes, it is shipping work. For some reason, buyers ask me on these, and I'm not sure what's going on with these yet, but something's up, but I haven't quite figured it out. But we're doing a testing video, and it all works. Best I can do. So this will get the dry board out. had a lot of orders yesterday. Luckily, I get them all done already. So all this is going right out to the mailbox. You want me as your seller because I am pumping out orders. I have to do it all day on Sunday to get them ready for Monday. Right? Drive out first. There's a little stick onto there. Here now. That's where we're at now. To that one now. Let's do this first. Cable. There's another cable here. So the 2.5 has a totally different, with a cable sticking down the bottom, and it's similar to the 3000 model. These are similar to the 2101, but not the same. There's a lot of crap on these things. Dirt, dust. Again, it's been running since it was used, whenever that was. Any place that shows exposed air, you're gonna see a lot of crap. So let's get the screws off of this. Get the dry board out. And go from there. Yeah, see all the dirt and stuff that's in there. You never know what you're gonna find inside these things. This has like a little slot on the side. You gotta pull the tab. This one has a tab on it. Let's find that tab. Hold on. There's a bunch of screws on here. 2. I'm just getting the drive board out. This drive works though. I got a couple others to test with this drive, so. Tab on the bottom. I forgot to take the game out. There's a tab here. This little tab is gonna come off. It's right there. Tab's gonna come off. I'm going to use this drive again, so it's all the parts for it. So if you need a drive, everything's taken off because it has the dry board in it. It has to come out. I missed a screw? I don't think so. Oh, I did, yeah. One screw I missed. Usually, I'm always doing something because of an order. Most of the time. Not always, but most of the time. So this is real easy peasy. It just comes off. It's not even screwed in either. So it has 1, 2, 3, and there's one more. Yeah, it's just kind of, it's like a clamp. It's like a locking clip somewhere. It's right there. Yeah, it's this one. Comes off like this. Yeah, there it is. That's what it is. And then there's the one underneath. You have to kind of do it this way. Dry board, you need that. This works. We saw it. Best I can do is show you exactly things working. That's all I can do. Let's get this torn down. These screwdrivers, they're all going now. My battery's all died. I haven't been able to find a battery for them yet. Cable. Let's see, screws. There's a few of them here. Missed it. Screw over here and all that. This doesn't have a clamp on the top, they're all on the bottom. It just comes out as one big piece. Oh wait, this is another one? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, there it is. I missed one. Like, there it is. It's a lot around the edges, it's just out of crap. Anyway, it's exposed to outside air, so you're gonna see a lot. So it's a motherboard sets the matching dry board with the motherboard. And same with the 2101. The 25 does not have a dry board. No, that does the 3000 model. Just the first two. Done. Look at that for a minute. When the fan goes, there's certain places on each board that there's piles of dirt. Just where that fan blows to. And I'm already tested this with audio video as well, so. Yeah, this should be DYN. What does it say? Right there. DYN-001. It's this one, exact board here. What's that one? This. It's a little dusty. quick tear down there.